Okay guys, I've been having a Misfire P300 showing up. This can be very frustrating, especially to Z owners. Beautiful car, just having a hard time with it. So I'm going to explain what's going on here. Actually, I'm going to let you hear the noise first. You can actually hear it. Not quite as bad right now. You'll hear it even more. But you can hear it through the exhaust too. So the car, it'll muffle down, it'll pop. You can hear, and it has like a low rumble to it. So I checked for vacuum leaks. I took a piece of saran wrap and I went around right here where the plenum. I have a 5/16 spacer, so I checked the plenum. I had a misfire on this cylinder one. Cylinder one had a misfire, so I put a new coil pack in. And I put a new spark plug in, gapped it correctly. I had 2 or 3 other people look at this car. I know the fuel injectors can be faulty on a Z. I looked into that, checked the fuel injectors. I couldn't find anything unless, the spray pattern or something's just not right on it. But what I did find is, I checked the mass airflow sensor. I'm just trying to give you guys pointers of what areas to look in when you have this issue, which I think I have figured it out. Whatever you do to your car, that's where you should go. The mods that have created trouble. So ever since I've had these test pipes, I believe what has happened here is my air-fuel mixture is off because the test pipe is leaking before the O2 sensor, and you can hear it right here. This is in between my tire, and if you look under the car, sunlight. But you can hear the leak. It's really bad. And it's causing like some popping, and it sounds like it's up in the engine. Like I was thinking maybe I should do a compression test because of a valve or a burnt piston ring or something like that. But as you can tell, let me see if I can get it. You can tell where the exhaust is leaking so bad. You can actually see the O2 sensor, the wiring on it just flapping. And if we go to the other side, and it's not even really, and there's hardly no wind blowing or anything today, so it's nothing like that. Here's the driver's side. This perfectly, no noise, it's completely still. The wire is not flapping, the O2 sensor wires. There's the driver's side. Oh, babe, you're good. My girlfriend's in it.
Oh, man, look. That's fucked up. I'm so
Oh, you're good, babe.
I'm so ugly right now. That's fucked up.
She still looks good. She doesn't drive me as crazy as what this car does. But there you go, guys. I'm going to jack this car up, and we're going to tighten these bolts up. Or maybe a gasket in between the test pipe is burned up too. That's a possibility. But you can hear it. The noise comes from down here, and you can smell exhaust coming up here.
You're gonna die.
And I believe this is going to fix this problem on this car. This is why I'm getting a cylinder 1 misfire. And this is not always a real common thing, but I'm pretty sure this is what it's going to be, because I've pretty much checked everything else. If this don't fix it, then I'm going to do a compression test and make sure a valve is not collapsed or a piston ring seal burn up in there. But I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because you can hear it leaking and I can see it. The air from it, the exhaust is just pushing, just flapping the O2 sensor around under there. And this will definitely wreak havoc on Z's. They're very temperamental. I come from a Honda background, so I'm not really used to Z's. So I've had to do a lot of research. And so I'm going to tighten the bolts down and see what happens, because it's right before the O2 sensor, so that'll definitely cause some air-fuel problems. There you go, guys. Please like and subscribe. And she's in there trying to figure it out. What you gotta say, babe?
It smells like we're going to get carbon monoxide poisoning.
So, there you go. Okay, so as I was saying before,